In this mini tutorial, you're going to learn about fire extinguishers, but first of all, you need to understand the fire triangle. The triangle illustrates a fire requires three elements: heat, fuel, and an oxidizing agent, usually oxygen from the air. The fire is prevented or extinguished by removing any one of them. A fire naturally occurs when the elements are combined in the right mixture. Without heat, a fire cannot start or continue. Heat can be removed by the application of a substance which reduces the amount of heat available to the fire reaction. This is often water, which requires heat to change from water to steam. Introducing sufficient quantities and types of powder or gas in the flame also reduces the amount of heat available for the fire reaction. Turning off the electricity in an electrical fire removes the ignition source. Without fuel, a fire will stop. Fuel can be removed naturally as where the fire has consumed all the burnable fuel, or manually by mechanically or chemically removing the fuel from the fire. Without oxygen, a fire cannot start or continue. With a decreased oxygen concentration, the combustion process slows. Okay, so now we've learned about the fire triangle. Now I'm going to teach you about the different types of fire extinguishers and what fires you can use them on. Water fire extinguishers have got a red band with water written on it, which goes around the cylinder. You can use water fire extinguishers on wood, paper and textiles. Do not use them on flammable liquids or live electrical equipment. Foam fire extinguishers have got a cream band with foam written on it. You can use them on Class A fires, which are wood, paper and textiles. You can also use them on Class B fires, which are flammable liquids. You cannot use them on live electrical equipment because foam contains moisture. Dry powder fire extinguishers have got a blue band with dry powder written on them. You can use them on Class A fires, which are wood, paper and textiles, Class B fires, which are flammable liquids, Class C fires, which are gas fires, and you can also use them on live electrical equipment. CO2 fire extinguishers or carbon dioxide fire extinguishers have got a black band with CO2 written on them. You can use them on flammable liquids, Class B fires, and you can also use them on live electrical equipment. You cannot use them on wood, paper and textile fires, and you cannot use them on flammable metal fires. These cannot be used in a confined space because it depletes the area of the oxygen. If you have a car fire, this is a fire extinguisher you should use. The final fire extinguisher type is wet chemical, which has got a yellow band written around it. You can use wet chemical fire extinguishers on Class F fires, which are cooking oil fires. You can also use them on Class A fires for wood, paper and textiles. With these, you have to discharge the entire contents on the fire from at least 1 meter's distance.